Good day, everyone. Nice to see you guys again. My name is Cora. I'm the beauty advisor from Microdermabrasion. Do you want to have radiant, glowing facial skin? Do you want to stay away from a dull-looking complexion? If so, you can turn to two facial treatments, microdermabrasion or hydrodermabrasion. But I guess you may get confused about the two procedures. And you may ask, are there any differences between the two and which one is better? Watch this video, you will figure out. If this is the first time here and you want to learn more about the skincare and the kind, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. What is microdermabrasion? Simply put, microdermabrasion is minimally invasive procedure to improve overall skin tone and texture. It can help reduce the fine lines and the wrinkles, and also treat acne and acne scars, eliminate enlarged pores. Then, here comes the question, how does microdermabrasion play the magic? This is how it works. During a treatment, a skin care professional will use a handheld handpiece that comes with a minimum abrasive instrument to gently grind off your skin outer layer so that your skin will be refreshed. And there are two types of microdermabrasion, and they work in the same way. One is the diamond dermabrasion, the one shown in the video. It uses the diamond tips to work on your skin, and it removes the dead skin, blackhead, and enlarged pores, and also reduce the acne, etc. The other one is crystal microdermabrasion, which spray like fine crystals to do the same, and both come with the vacuums to dispose of the dead skin and other waste. Now, you may wonder who can have the treatment. Generally, the procedure suits most skin types, but those with severely sensitive skin need to keep away from it, because the treatment uses the abrasive substance to sand off your skin. They may trigger redness and swelling after treatment, and sometimes you may have bruising caused by suction. But there is no downtime. You can resume your daily routine immediately. As for the results, you can see the instant outcomes after a session, and you can take the treatment every 2 weeks. But you can do it once a month if you have oily skin. Now let's have a look at the hydrodermabrasion. Hydrodermabrasion is a newer method. It's a non-invasive skin treatment that uses the power of water and oxygen to cleanse, extract, and hydrate your skin. The procedure can present you a younger-looking, glowing, and healthier skin. So how does the hydrodermabrasion deliver the results? The treatment uses an exfoliating tip paired with the suction to remove the dead skin cells from your skin surface. It also gets rid of the impurities. The suction that comes with it will suck them. Then, after your skin is exfoliated, skincare ingredients are infused into it. Altogether, it gives your face skin a boost. The procedure is a very safe and effective treatment for every skin type, and it can address various skin concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, inelastic skin, congestion, etc. Its side effects are similar to microdermabrasion, but less likely to occur and less severe. And no recovery time is required. Of course, the outcomes are instant and evident after one treatment. You can do it twice a month. We have explained the two procedures. Now it's time to answer the question, what are the differences? The main difference between the two is that they work in different ways. One uses abrasive substance, while the other utilizes the power of water and oxygen. Besides, microdermabrasion does not suit the people with severely sensitive skin and is prone to show side effects, and you may feel discomfort during the treatment. However, hydrodermabrasion is a gentle experience that costs you more money. Both can help you achieve the radiant and useful facial appearance. If you ask me which one I would choose, I would say hydrodermabrasion, because the treatment is more comfortable and it will come with the better results. If you still don't know how to choose, you can consult a skin or aesthetic doctor about your skin needs and specific concerns before making the right decision. Thank you so much for today. I'm Cora, a beauty advisor from Microdermabrasion. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Leave a message if you have any questions or you want to share your story. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.